Okay guys, so we are gonna rip out a stump. So this one right here is a little smaller one. That's about a 1 footer. And then over here we got about a 2 foot stump right here. And these are walnut trees. I'm in Minnesota and these are walnut trees, so kind of depends on the root structure of the trees, how easily they come out. You know, like a willow is going to be a lot easier to take out, softer wood, and the root structure is pretty shallow. These are, I would say, kind of average, not like your oak. So, I don't know. Anyway, what I do is, first you're going to want to strip kind of the topsoil around here. So we're not trying to go for any roots right now. Can't have you tip sideways like that. There we go. So I just go around and kind of strip the topsoil. Got a little pile of roots over here. Yeah, sorry guys, I think you might be kind of falling sideways a little more than I would like. So kind of keep the good topsoil in one section so we can fill that back in later. Found a root there. And make sure your blade's on the ground too if you have a machine with a blade. That will make it a lot more stable. Okay. So we pretty much dug out a bucket width all the way around the tree. This is a 36-inch bucket, and so pretty much dug out around the tree pretty nicely. So now we just go start attacking the roots. So now we're just gonna wanna go deeper. Snap the roots off first. We're not gonna go directly for the stump because it would not come. So, okay, this is super easy. So typically your stumps are not gonna be this easy. This one is really, you can see it already coming, or already popping out. So if you guys are stumping and doesn't come this easy, that is, they usually don't come this easy. It's already out. Wow. Okay, so we got the stump out now, so now what we do is just try to get all this dirt off. So if you have a machine with a thumb, you can pick it up in the air and drop it a few times, or if you have a grapple, or if you just have a standard bucket like this, you can just poke the dirt out. Just kind of beat up the stump right now. There we go, and most of the dirt is out. Drop it a couple times, and then we'll either bring the skid steer in or grab it, and then we got a pile kind of behind that pine tree back there. We're gonna stockpile them up there and burn them. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do this little bigger stump here. So again, we go around, strip all the topsoil first. Bobcat E85 right now. And found another root under there. I'll come back to that later. Man, you guys are falling all over the place. My goodness. Sorry about that. Yeah, this one's a little bigger. Piling up all the little sticks, all the little roots, so you can come in with a loader later and pick all those up. Oh yeah, there we go. That's a nice size one there. It's a pretty stinking huge root. Gotta chase that back. Come on, baby. Chase it too far, but the nice thing about getting an excavator on these stumps rather than a stump grinder is you take the whole stump out, and then a few years down the road there's nothing to decay, there's no settling or anything like that. All the stumps are gone. Rather than if you grind them, you still have a little wood underneath, so a few years down the road, then they decompose, turn to compost, well, turn to dirt. Then you got a nice little hole in your lawn. So yeah, little bigger ones like this where they don't pop out as easy, you gotta just kind of keep working it side to side. You might even have to reposition and then come dig out on this front side. Might be doing that here shortly. But anyway, that is the way to get stumps out of the ground. Or the way I like to do it. First strip the topsoil, come back through, snap all the roots, and then come through, and then by that time it should be loose. Then you come through and pop it out of the ground. And one thing that also helps is having a smaller bucket. This is a pretty large bucket. This is a 3-foot bucket. Or 32, 36 inch. Helps having a smaller bucket, or even a ripper. Those are nice. But don't have that on this machine, and so this will make do. So anyway, check back in later, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.